Everyone, welcome to my channel again. So in this video we're gonna look at how to get huge $1,000 bonus from PNC Business Checking Account, or if you prefer 400, we're gonna also look at the requirements to get $400 bonus as well. So just know that you don't need to have a direct deposit or any kind of, so there is no direct deposit requirements. You can just deposit the money and maintain it to get this $400 or $1,000 bonus. Now let's look at in details what are the requirements to get this bonus, when you're gonna get it, and who is eligible and not eligible. So let's take a look at first how to get this huge $1,000 bonus. So you need to make sure that you did not previously open a PNC business account in the last 12 months. You also need to make sure that your business has annual revenue less than 5 million, which I believe you have. And number 3, you need to open a treasury enterprise plan or analysis business checking account by March 31st, 2026. So basically, in order to get this $1,000 bonus, you need to either open treasury enterprise plan or analysis business checking. And you need to maintain minimum average ledger balance of $30,000 for each of the first 3 statement cycles. So every statement cycle has 30 or 31 days depending on the month. So basically you need to make sure that you maintain average ledger balance of $30,000 for each of the 3 statement cycles. So what is the requirements for $400 bonus? So the first requirements are same. You need to make sure that you did not open the account in last 12 months. Also, your business has annual revenue less than 5 million. So number 3 is different here, which is you need to open a new business checking or business checking plus account by end of March 2026. You also need to maintain a minimum average ledger balance of $2,000 for each of the first 3 statement cycles. So this is much lower. Also, the bonus is lower. Another requirement to get $400 bonus is you need to make sure you make at least 10 total qualifying transactions. So this is easier than $1,000 bonus. Also, the bonus is less. It's like $600 less. But let's take a look. What is average ledger balance and what are the qualifying transactions? So the qualifying transactions are PNC Visa Business Debit Card purchase. So if you use the business debit card to make any purchase, ACH, which is my favorite, you just schedule 10 transactions and you don't have to worry about it. Wire transfer, which is a bit expensive. Zelle debit or credit, which is I think easier. PNC online banking or bill payments. Deposits made using PNC remote deposit. Checks deposited into or written from your business checking account. So these are the qualifying transactions. So if you go with the $400 bonus route, you need to make sure you make at least 10 qualifying transactions. So let's take a look who will not be eligible. Then we're going to see what is ledger balance. So who will not be eligible? So number 1, new account will not be eligible for offer if any signer has signing authority on an existing PNC Bank business checking account. Let's say if you have multiple business checking account. So if you have a signer authority in another one, then you're not going to be eligible. Or if you closed a business account within past 90 days. Or if you have been paid a promotional premium in the past 12 months for the business account. Remember, there is a promotional bonus for personal account and there is a promotional bonus for business account. So here we're talking about the business account. Number 4, if multiple accounts are opened with the same signer, then only one account will be eligible for the premium. So if you have more than one business account, so only one account would be eligible for the sign-up bonus, which makes sense. Now there is a note. For this offer, signing authority will be defined by the customer name and their social security number. So what is average ledger balance? So average ledger balance is defined as the average daily total within your business checking account at the end of your statement cycle. Let's say the statement cycle runs from January 1st or March 1st to March 31st. So to make sure that they're going to take average balance divided by the total number of days to make sure that you meet $30,000 for $1,000 bonus or $2,000 for $400 bonus. So let's say If you don't have any money today, that means tomorrow you need to make sure that you have more than $30,000 to make up for the money that you did not have today. So basically you need to make sure on average you have $30,000 for $1,000 bonus or $2,000 for $400 bonus. So what is the minimum amount to open this account? So you need to have $100 minimum to record to open this account. So let's say once you open an account, you can send $100 via Zelle and it's going to be there right away. That way you met the minimum requirements. So when are you going to get this bonus? So actually within 90 days after all conditions have been met. And you're going to see that once the bonus is posted, you're going to see a note there, credits new business bonus on your monthly statement. So basically within 90 days after you meet all the requirements. Now, how can you apply? So I'll share the link in the comment. You can click on that. It's not my referral link, it's a direct link. I don't think they're offering any referral bonus or referral link, so it's a direct link. You can either Google or you can use the direct link that I'll provide you. I'm not gonna make any money, so it's all the money that you're gonna make if you meet all the qualification criteria. So you click on that link, then if you're gonna get $400 bonus, you can click on business checking or business checking plus. But if you want to get $1,000 in case you have $30,000, you can click on apply now on the Treasury Enterprise Plan. So once you click on that, so you're going to come to this page where it's going to ask you, so it's going to show you that offer reward was successfully applied. So that means the reward would be automatically applied if you come from that link. Now you're going to have two options here. One, if you're a new PNC customer, you're going to click on that. But if you're an existing customer, let's say you have a business account or you have a personal account, you click on that. Let's say you don't have anything, so you're going to click on I'm new to PNC, then you proceed. Then you're going to come to this page where they're going to ask you your business structure. Basically, it could be sole proprietor or LLC, whatever it is, you select. Then the next page is going to ask you about yourself, basically your name, where do you live, what do you do, all kind of thing. And then they're going to ask you about business, basically what does your business do and what does the business doesn't do. And then once you provide all the information, you're going to click on submit. And then you're going to receive an email saying congrats, your account is open. Or if they need more information, they're going to email you that they want to schedule a call. So basically all can be done online. You don't have to go to the branch. If you want to go to the branch, that's fine. But if you don't want to go to the branch because you want to save your time or you're very busy, you can contact them or they're going to contact you. In my case, they contacted me and said, hey, we can schedule a call. So we did everything online. They're going to send you a meeting link. You're going to attend, and then they're going to verify your ID. They're going to ask you some questions about the application, and mostly they're going to approve you on that day. And here are the links. So you can go to this link or you can go to this link. Either the link's going to work. So they're the direct link to get this bonus. So whatever link you click, you're going to see $400 bonus or $1,000 bonus, and you're going to decide which bonus you want. If I have the money for $1,000 bonus, I would definitely go there. But in case my money is limited, I would definitely take the $400 bonus. So it all depends on how much money you have and how much you're willing to deposit on that account to get this bonus. Please note that it's not a direct deposit, it's just a deposit. So send the money from your external account to this account and maintain that for the qualification period to get this bonus. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or any help that you need. And please do not forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.